In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update VAT number on Etsy. If you've changed your VAT number or need to correct it, updating it on Etsy ensures your invoices and tax records stay accurate. Let's walk through the process together so you know exactly where to go and what to look for. Start by opening a fresh browser window and searching for Etsy. From the search results, click the official Etsy site. You'll know you're in the right place if you see the secure padlock in the address bar and the familiar Etsy homepage. Once you're on Etsy, log into the account that manages your shop. After you're signed in, click your profile icon and open your account, then choose Account Settings. Depending on your layout, this menu might be in the upper right corner. If you're on a smaller screen, look for a menu icon to reveal these options. Next, navigate to your shop manager. You can usually access it from the top navigation bar. The shop manager is your hub for orders, listings, and financial settings, so it's the right place for making tax-related updates. Inside Shop Manager, go to the Finances section. Within Finances, locate the area that covers your seller details. The wording can vary by region, so you might see legal and tax information, seller information, or company details. They all point to the same place, your official business data on Etsy. Open that section and look for the option to edit or update your information. Choose Edit or Update to make changes. This opens the form where you'll manage your registered details. Be sure you're in the field specifically labeled for VAT and not another tax ID. Now enter your updated VAT number in the provided field. Type it exactly as issued, including the correct country prefix if required, and avoid extra spaces or characters. Make sure the number matches the entity listed on your account. For example, if your shop is registered as a company, the VAT number should belong to that company. If Etsy asks for additional fields like business name or address, ensure they match your official registration to prevent verification delays. When you're done, save the new details. Look for a confirmation message on the page indicating your changes were saved successfully. In some cases, updates can take a short time to reflect across invoices and receipts, so give it a little time. Going forward, your documents should display the new VAT number automatically based on your region's requirements. And that's it. You searched for Etsy, opened the official site, logged in, went to Account Settings, navigated to Shop Manager, opened Finances, found the legal or seller information area, edited your details, entered your VAT number, and saved.